Hey folks, today we're going to make the back end of my 2018 F-150 look better by adding some Husky wheel well guards. Now if you've been following along with some of my videos, you know that I've been building up my 2018 F-150 that I bought used. I've been adding some products to make it more useful and customizing it to my taste. Most recently, I added some Ford Raptor tires and wheels, which required a bit of lift to the front and rear of the truck. Now once I lifted the truck, it became pretty obvious how unfinished the rear wheel wells looked, especially compared to the fronts, which have the factory wheel well guards. The rears didn't come with it on mine. It is a factory option you can choose. Mine just didn't come with it. But it looks pretty unfinished, and I wanted to make that look nicer. So I ordered some Husky rear wheel well guards. Got a really good deal on Amazon Prime Day, and I ordered them. They came in, they were a little under 75 bucks. I think they're regularly around 100. And today, I'm going to show you how I installed them. Now this is a super easy install. Takes no time at all. You just need a 10mm socket, and you remove one factory bolt from each side before you start installation. Next, you'll take the two provided J-clips and attach them to both holes in the rear of each wheel well. These will serve to hold the bolts that come with the kit and hold the wheel well guard in place. Now I work to get the wheel well guard itself in place. This plastic material is somewhat pliable. It's about the same consistency as a plastic drop-in bed liner. So you are able to manipulate it into place. The big idea here is to get it tucked behind the lip of the fender and make sure all the holes line up properly. It does take a little bit of effort, but overall not a hard thing to do. Now it's just as simple as reinstalling the factory bolt as well as the two bolts to install into the J-clips. You just repeat the process on the other side and you're done. This was an easy install, probably about 20 minutes in total. That's including getting everything ready to install. And it looks great. This has got some great fit and finish for a relatively inexpensive product. With the Husky wheel well guards installed, the truck looks great, just like it should have come from the factory, and even better with a little bit of lift. I appreciate you following along today. If you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe to the channel. If you do subscribe, hit that notification button so you know when I post new videos. I appreciate each and every one of you. Y'all get out there and live the good life. Thanks a lot.